Wilson Process Systems operate over 30,000 square foot of hand and automated electronics assembly floor space, situated across 3 factory sites. WPS specializes in surface mount assembly, automated through-hole assembly and environmental test and protection, and our capabilities cater for prototype through to high-volume batch quantities. WPS are accredited to BS EN ISO9001 2008 standards, and our production staff are IPC certified. We supply a wide range of industries in the industrial, consumer, entertainment, medical, rail, defense, highway and urban signage, lighting and power generation sectors. Our company invests heavily in the best production technologies available, and as such, our manufacturing facility incorporates the very latest machinery and equipment to achieve a highly agile and responsive operation. We offer a full project support service from new product introduction, NPI and parts procurement through to electromechanical assembly and full electronic testing. The surface mount facility has a capacity of over 200,000 component placements per hour, down to 01005 package sizes, and consists of 2 universal fusion pick and place machines, which enables us to be the first contract electronics manufacturer in the UK to be able to offer fully automated assembly of PCBs up to 1300 by 500 millimeters, 2 universal Advantis Lightning AC30 pick and place machines with high-speed chip placement platforms offering a capacity of up to 33,600 component placements per hour on each machine, together with additional universal and quad pick and place machines with flexible placement platforms allowing placement of fine pitch components such as QFPs and BGAs. We have 2 more surface mount lines for use with smaller production runs and prototype assembly. Our conventional technology equipment allows automated assembly of axial, dip and radial components and consists of a universal axial insertion machine with 120 feeding stations and a component verifier for checking tolerance and polarity, and a universal dip insertion machine for dual inline package insertion. We also operate 2 universal radial insertion machines for assembly of through-hole LEDs and other radial devices, one having the capability of inserting components in a 360-degree arc and assembling up to 20,000 component insertions per hour, and the other up to 10,000 per hour. We have 2 flow soldering lines. One uses an aqueous flux with mandatory inline washing process. This line uses lead-free solder alloy. The other uses a spray fluxer, which allows use of a variety of no-clean fluxes or an aqueous flux, which is subsequently cleaned. This line uses a different lead-free solder alloy. In combination, the 2 lines use different alloys coupled with the choice of fluxes, which allows the widest possible range of soldering combinations. With many PCBs facing an operating life in harsh climatic conditions, the demand for environmental protection and testing is increasing, which is why WPS has invested in 2 Asimtec fully automated conformal coating lines to offer intelligent selective conformal coating alongside our resin encapsulation services and an environmental test chamber which can test assemblies while continuously temperature cycling them between -70 and +180 degrees centigrade in a humidity-controlled environment. Our test and inspection department uses an automated optical inspection system. The versatility of this unit and its innovative technology enables detailed inspection of even the smallest batches before going on to our automatic test equipment and customer-specific test suites, which are used for in-circuit testing and board setup prior to dispatch. We can incorporate any customer or product-specific testing that may be required. This enables us to deliver zero-defect ship-to-use products for immediate use by the customer with no further goods receiving inspection being required, and to offer a direct dispatch service to customers, shipping tested, ready-to-use parts direct to the end user on our customer's behalf. Wilson Process Systems can offer a multitude of capabilities, including surface mount assembly, automated through-hole assembly, environmental test and protection, and full project support services from parts procurement to electromechanical assembly and full electronic testing. So please call us now to discuss your project or to arrange a factory visit.